Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to cook pinakbet, which is a Filipino dish. It's mainly vegetables, but there's a little bit of pork. You know, anything is good with pork. It's like butter. Let's start cooking. Here are ingredients for our pinakbet. Put 1/2 cup of water in the pot, then add the pork. Cook it for 10 minutes and let it brown. Set aside pork, then sauté ginger, garlic, onion, and shrimp paste, then cook it for 2 minutes. Add tomato and 1 cup of water, cover the pot and let it cook for 5 minutes. Add the squash and cook it for 2 minutes. Add okra, long beans, bitter melon, and eggplant, then cover the pot. When it starts to boil, hold the pot on both handles, then flip the pinakbet a couple of times, then repeat it again. It's like flipping a pancake. Our pinakbet is done. It's time to eat.